going on, guys? We're back here with another episode. You know what I'm saying? Your boy O.B.S. Lowe's. So, it's Sunday and we're just here bullshitting at the shop. Got a little bored since I have the cow hood there that was left over for the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on right now. Boy Nick finna put his magical hands to work. And because I came in and he was fucking there watching. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. You're strong.
Fresh.
Eh, no te olvides la luz, güey.
I know what I'm saying. My boy Manny Fresh.
Freaking fresh. Jay-Z, what? Hey, guys, what y'all think this guy looks like? Comment down below. Jay-Z, Manny Fresh, Bruno Mars, or who else?
Little Webby.
Oh, Lil Webby.
Little Webby.
So, comment down below what this guy looks like.
Boy needs the glasses look like
Say here like my left nut.
Mira más, qué chula. Oh, we gotta flip this over, guys, to get the extra horsepower. No, that goes. Vamos a ver. I got you, way. I'll help you right here. Boom. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys take off a hood, and only one's doing it.
Take off one hood.
Only one's doing it.
No. Con permiso. Thank you.
Sorry, sir. Oh, let's cut the wire, B.
No, hell no. What the fuck?
Cut it. Keep everything going, yeah.
Your prices need to, how you need to cut it.
Stick up the ground. Yeah. Disconnect the battery.
Alright, so this is a hood. Whenever I bought it, the guy opened it from the side, so let's see where the hell he opened it. I think it was over here. Oh, it's from up here. He just put tape on there. Girl, drop it to the floor. I love the way your booty goes. Vamos a poner el pinche cow hood, a ver cómo se ve. La Mama Flex. Hell yeah, baby. Brand spanking new. Mira más que chula. Hold on, guys. Let me put the phone down real quick. Let me see. Alright, guys. Let me get the hood. It's dented right here. Huh? No. Yeah. Dented? On the corner, yeah. Alright, guys, so está un poco doblada de aquí, pero es algo mínimo. We'll be alright. That's the way you do it. Alright, so 2 of us on each side, right now?
For what?
So we can hold it.
For what?
1 on each side?
One on each side and one in front.
In the middle. Stand forward. And then someone will be with the camera.
Yeah, the camera.
Hold on. Put that one down. Lay this on top of the radio. I gotta take off the hood edge.
Oh. So put it facing up or down?
Facing.
What if we just carry it? Oh yeah. That's nice.
No what?
The steam is coming on.
About 45.
Yeah. It had gone down for a while, but I guess
They're breaking hell, so
They're a high
whose phone? Oh!
Ground zero in the hizzy. In the hizzy.
Do that one.
My boy struggling. Look at him. My boy struggling.
Come on, bro. My high going away. Hurry up.
Again.
It's the bracket, but it's weird.
Yeah, the bracket.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so then just put off for it, but don't tighten the shit out of him, man. Put it that way. Smash his finger. Safety. Call OSHA.
They're good right there.
No gloves, PPE,
Yep.
pinch point,
Hard hats.
Safety glasses.
glasses, lanyards.
The strap on. I mean,
Where's the eyelash picture?
Somebody said a strap on.
yeah, bro. I meant harness.
Hey, where's your JSA? Where's your die off right there?
What's the JSA, Kevin?
Kevin, I don't know what that is.
Where's your JSA at, homie?
Kevin, we know what JSA is?
JSA stands for.
Pinch point, guys.
Yeah, he good. He good.
Oh.
Damn it, boy. Can you move out the way, Mr. Ground Zero?
All the way down?
Right there.
Yeah, it's supposed to run.
Oh. Sheesh.
I like. Alright, so I'll do it again.
Sheesh.
Oh, nice pop.
Hell yeah.
Nice pop.
Remember that little thing?
I love it.
And I love it.
I love it, Silos.
I'm trying to get to work.
¿No te vas a ensuciar, güey?
Huh? ¿Con la pinte?
¿No te vas a ensuciar, güey?
Yeah. I don't know, I was thinking of painting this one before the Tahoe.
Go ahead and flip that air filter, dog.
On the top part.
My boy Kev. Say, talk to them, bro. Talk to them. What you doing with your whip?
Shoot, I used to have one just like this.
What you doing with your whip, though? What you doing?
Alright guys, so appreciate you guys watching. Get the fuck out of here now.
I'm not recording, but do it again, though. I'm not recording, but do it again.
So do I close it?
Yeah.
Nah, pose though.
Pose, though.
Yeah.
Pop the hood. Why? Gotta raise the box up. Why the fuck do y'all even care? Hey, that motherfucker's gotta go too already.
Nah, G.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
Nah, G. Leave him on. Leave him on. Just add some in the back. Right there.
There we go. Man.
Sheesh.
Ahí va agarrando forma, Yeah, that's definitely something about Mama long. Alright guys, so we set the hood on this one. I was gonna put it on the Tahoe, pero siempre no. So I don't know, I'm kind of thinking we should paint this one first. What do you guys think? Comment down below. We paint the single cab or the Tahoe. The Tahoe really doesn't need it, but I think this one does need a little bit more loving, even though it's more original. But this got to go, this got to go, these got to go. Oh, and let me show y'all. Come here, guys. Come here. And then right here, I'll speed walking it.
Yeah, fuck your truck, that's why. Fuck your truck, nigga, that's why.
Alright, you coming? Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you a little surprise. Behind door number 1. Hell yeah, guys. No center lines, twisters. Not every no tacuache has these, so there's another set of wheels we got. So we got these in. I don't know, también. What do you guys think? Tahoe or single cab? But I'm thinking more the single cab. The ones on the Tahoe now, and then these on the Tahoe. Check them out real quick. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Another thing, guys. Ya se acabó la... ya se acabó la pinche giveaway de estos. Good luck to everybody. I'll be going live tomorrow, Monday night, to pronounce the winner on those 15 by 12s. Aquí hay chicos de marca también, los que quieran venir. Hit me up, 15 by 10s. And these all orders getting ready to ship out tomorrow that we got over the weekend. Alright, guys, let's pick this up. Porque si no lo levanto yo, no lo levanto bien. Bueno, para estar viendo videos en YouTube, pero para limpiar, pinche madre. Perro. So yeah, guys, one more thing. Come here, follow me again. Oh, we got merch coming in left and right. Y'all already know what the plug is. O.B.S. Lowe's. So now we got the moldings, guys, already pre-cut too. So stay tuned on the website. I'll be posting pictures later on this week. So if you don't want to struggle with all the cutting parts and all that, let me know. We already have them pre-cut. And yeah, guys, chain emblems, lights, whatever. I already know what we do. Hit me up. Appreciate the support, and I will watch you.
Mi gente no se preocupen, mi zona está bien cuidada. Todo el Güeyes y la Venecia, por aquí no pasa nada, unidos estamos todos, con pura gente equipada. Comencé a trabajar por mucha necesidad. Por las buenas soy amigo, ya la gente sé tratar, no se equivoquen conmigo, no se la van a acabar.